This is POCO X6 Pro, and today I'll show all the available methods to take a screenshot on this device. So the first method that you have an access to by default is through using the control panel shortcut. First we'll need to swipe downwards from the right part of the status bar to open the control panel. Here find the tile that looks like so, and it is the screenshotting option. So that's how you can take a screenshot. Then you can go into settings, additional settings, gesture shortcuts, take a screenshot, and here enable two additional methods. First of them is the method in which you need to simultaneously press the volume down and power keys, and the third method is the famous three-finger screenshot. So once this option is enabled, you can take a screenshot by simply swiping from top to bottom with your three fingers like that. And then in order to find the screenshots that you took, go into gallery, and they will be here in your general folder, or as you can see, the system creates the separate screenshots and screen recordings folder for your screenshot and screen recordings respectively. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.